What's up YouTube, Max Lax Strings here, and today we've got a video on the waterproofness of Max Wax Mesh. So we're going to be shooting today in Hurricane Sandy. So it's really rough conditions, really windy, really rainy, so it's going to definitely test how Max Wax Mesh performs in weather conditions. So during the shooting, the wax mesh held up really well. It didn't get wet at all. The water just beaded straight off the